Speech.
No, I didn't.
Speech.
I didn't write anything. I do know that when I played tennis for the last 10 years, then got back into golf. I'm damn glad that I got to meet all y'all and get y'all's courage. Been really fun. It's been a mission. The only thing I'm going to buy you lunch today. I thought at least I could.
Corn dogs?
At least I could buy you lunch today. Andy, you got this lunch? Okay.
Oh, no.
Ah, yeah. I want a corn dog. Beautiful.
That brings back memories. No,
Thank you.
I'm gonna come see you. I hope we all stick together and do some things in the near future. We'd love to come to Alabama. If we come back, make sure we let everybody know and let's all get together and have some fun. Drink some whiskey. And I got a present for you. You don't drink anymore? That's all the stories. I don't have anything. Everybody knows the good stories.
Randle was traumatized by his one story.
Corn dog.